Welcome to my DIY Freaky Friday creative project by yours truly, Miss Kabamba. I have a makeup tutorial along with a full sewing process in this video where I upcycled clothes I already had and made this costume. Starting with a tank top you'll need and a red shirt. Along with this fleece foamy fabric. All right, with the red shirts, as you can see, I upcycle old clothing. This has holes, and I'm going to be cutting along the holes. We're not cutting the whole sleeve. We're just going to cut along the stitches. Cut along the stitches. Don't cut both sides of the sleeve in one go. Cut one side and then cut the other side very carefully. And I just follow the stitches because I'm going to need these sleeves. I'm definitely going to need these sleeves for the costume. All right, so that's how one of the sleeves looks. And then I just cut the other one. And then here is an old black tank top I have. Emphasis on old. It literally has like deodorant stains. Oh my gosh. Anyhow, I want it to be a fitted tank top, and I want the red sleeves to fit the area of like the black tank top as well. So I pinned it down. I marked and pinned it down where the red sleeves would stop, and I pinned down how I could make this top fitted. I did this by measuring my own body, or if you want to be really easy with it, just measure a fitted t-shirt on top of it and just mark it. And then I sewed it down. Here you can see the black stitches. I really want to show you guys this part because it is important. Look at the before and after. You can see I had a really baggy tank top and now I turned it into a fitted one. And it was really easy. All I had to do was mark it down and look how the stitches look. It's a really nice stitch. All I did was a straight stitch. And that's how it looks from the inside out. Because when it comes to sewing, you always sew from the inside out. And I just want to show you guys how I'm going to cut that excess parts. But how it looks like on me. It did not look like this before. I should have filmed it before, but it was looking crazy. It was a very baggy tank top. And you can see that excess part, I'm going to cut it off. I just want to show you guys what happens when you sew from the inside out and you really want to make something baggy fitted. It is always possible, and it's one of the easiest alterations. It's just a straight stitch. And the way straight stitch works is just straight down. All right, now that that's sorted, I altered my tank top by adding the red sleeves on top of it and making it more grungy with the holes. Anyhow, this is the design that Anna from Freaky Friday had on her shirts. I love this because this could be messy, and I love a messy project because it makes things easier on me. Guitar! Isn't this so cute? All I really did was trace the guitar, like draw the guitar on top of it. And then I had the little flames and the red. And then it could be a little tedious if you don't have the best and the most steady hands. But I promise you, I believe in you in this process. Because if it looks a little messy, it's okay. I was just really proud of how the guitar looked. And now I am sewing on top of the shirts. Just remember here, when you are sewing on top of the shirts, you never ever sew on both sides of the shirt. Like, make sure that the back of the shirt is not getting sewn as well. I pushed that downwards so my needle wouldn't sew the top part of the shirt and the back part, because if both parts sew in, you can't wear your shirt. Do you understand what I mean? Always make sure that you hold the back part. You can kind of see the back part of the shirt. It's still like it's not getting sewn right now. I'm sewing the front part of the shirt. That way it won't fully close and I can wear it. I made it a little more grungy because the way I like to style myself when it comes to cosplay and costumes, it's not something that's a direct copy, but something that I can enhance in my own vision, in my own way. So adding the little holes onto the shirts really just enhanced the outfit, and it had a lot of touch of me in there. I did the holes. I started cutting the tank top a little bit too, and that's the before and after job. I promise you could do this all in a day. I would say give yourself 2 full hours, and if you're a beginner, maybe 3. I fully believe in you. And as for the bottoms, I had these extra large pants. I am a small, and these are extra large I thrifted. I have these old small black shorts, and I really, really wish that I showed you guys the full creative process, but this was actually very tricky because I didn't know what I wanted to do. At first, when I cut these extra large pants, I thought, you know what, let me cut it and I can make it into fitted skirts. But I had another brilliant idea. As you can see, I cut it from there. I flipped the pants upside down and I used it as leg sleeves, which looks really hot, really good on me. And I made shorts out of those black shorts I had, the green pants, and a pair of black tights. You can see I cut the shorts in half and I used that design. I did the foldable pants style. And you can see in the before and after the foldable pants style I did. I think it looks really good. The black shorts.
Hey everyone, Miss Kavumba here. And just like that, we're gonna start my makeup look, turning into Anna from Freaky Friday.
All right, everyone, let's get into the makeup process. We got our primer by Rimmel London. Stay matte. Don't play about her. We don't play about Rimmel over here. Because when I put that on my face, best believe that makeup is going to be matte. It's going to be matte. Yeah, it's going to look a little casket ready, but that's what you're going for, okay? And now we got the 2B Manga Anime Palette by Rude Cosmetics. Use code Carolina. CARELENNA. Use my code, you will not regret it, for that 15% off on all Rude Cosmetics products. All right, with that palette in mind, I do my eyebrows. And my eyebrow process is, okay, I really want my eyebrows to look a little lighter here. So my eyebrow process was adding foundation, concealer, and powder, and then going in with a really light yellowish, beigeish color. And then I went in with a bit of burgundy because, yeah, I just realized my eyebrows can't be blonde because, well, they're not bleached. And a little burgundy color would look best on me. Anyways, time for the foundation. I love foundation. So I use the shade D60 foundation by CoverGirl. CoverGirl always does it right. CoverGirl ain't never stir me wrong. Me and CoverGirl, we are locked in for life. Manifesting and praying for a CoverGirl collaboration one day. I just want to work with all the makeup brands I love. And now we're going in with Ben Nye's FS1 Studio Concealer. Don't play about her either, because when I tell you, it keeps my makeup super matte and super nice, and I love the blending. Right now I'm blending out my foundation, and I still have concealer on my face because I want the concealer to sit a little bit before I blend that out with my foundation. Now it's time for more products. I am using the Fenty Beauty Powder Pro Filter in the shade Nutmeg. I'm a nutmeg girl. So I use this brush that I'm pressing into my skin because I really just want my skin to be matte and look good, honestly. I like looking good against flash. I like looking good in good lighting. I like looking good as much as I can because look good, feel good. And Fenty's powder, I'm not even playing with you. It smells so good. It feels great on my skin. And the application is very seamless. After the Fenty powder, I decided it's time for some contour. So I'm contouring a little bit. I contour with my Rude Cosmetics palette as well. As you saw before, use my code once again, Carolina. Use my code Carolina. I'm going to leave on the screen. And if you can't use my code, it's okay. Just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're enjoying this video. All right. Again, I'm still pressing in some powder, and y'all are going to laugh about this. All right. After my Fenty powder, I do go in with my Rude Cosmetics palette, and I use a light brown, and I press it into areas I want to get extra highlighted. So that goes around my jawline area because I want that highlighted against my contour. It goes around my eye area because I want around my eyes, which is like close to where my nose is, to be highlighted because I feel like that just looks really good against lights. Big ups Fenty. Anyways, even my blush is still from the Rude Cosmetics palette. And now I'm just using some white powder by Original. We don't play about her either. The Original powder is very much the finishing touch to this makeup look, because when I put it on my face, let it sit for just a little bit and blend it out, I promise my makeup just looks so seamless and matte. I love when my makeup can look airbrush, and that's exactly what all these products do for me. You really need just a good primer, foundation that's not oily, concealer, you're gonna spray some setting spray in between the sets of doing your makeup, in between the steps. I'll call it steps, either way works. And now we're going in with the Rude palette once again for the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow, I just did a reddish burgundy-ish look, so nothing crazy. Just a little red. I think I used just 2 shades, so a lighter orangey color and a darker one. And now I'm going with the highlights. It's a crazy name. Nomad Cartagena Magica. Looks really good. Insane name, but looks really good. I've used it for this look right here. And I'm trying to think. The other look I used it for, I forgot. Ooh, I used it for these 2 makeup looks that you will see this week, because I am posting 3 times this week. So you guys should check it out. For now, I am going in with the face paint by You Can Be. It's called the Athena palette. I'm making stars on my face because I really want to show that I am a rock star. I'm a legend. I'm cool, guys. I promise. People who have graphic liner on their face are obviously cool. And I didn't just want to do heavy black liner or smudgy eyeliner. That's boring. I said, let me draw stars on my face because I'm a rock star. We don't play about Athena. Obviously, you look at the palette, it looks like she's been through it, but it just means I really, really like her. I've been using Athena. When you see me with graphic liner, it's always Athena. And there we have it. That's the end of my look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a very easy tutorial. You can very much do this costume if you have a costume party, or if you just like her outfit, or if you're just watching this because you like my little personality. I'm grateful for you. I felt like a hot girl. This Halloween was very fun, very eventful. It was the first time I've ever sewed my full Halloween costume, and I'm so happy about that because I'm a big, just spooky season girl. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of my uploads. Bye! Love you!